The proprietor of Samkhamti and also a member of the Dorbar Shnong Urkaliar Shillong, Samborlang Diengdoh, on Thursday had shared his views on the recent price hike of essential commodities and other goods in the state of Meghalaya. As a concerned citizen of the state, Samborlang Diengdoh said that the recent price hike of essentials has greatly affected the general public. While referring to the monsoons as one of the main factors of price rise, Diengdoh also felt that the inability of heavy motor vehicles like tankers and trucks transporting essential items to the state to carry goods beyond 10 tons while plying over the Umyam Bridge is one of the main factors that have added to the rise in price of essential food items and commodities such as oil and gas. These vehicles have to be diverted from Lat Umroi to the bypass in order to reach the city and other parts of the state. This will result in the hike of fuel prices, which again will affect price of essential goods.
The shortage supply of essential commodities kadang ke jingna jing supply ni stia ti kendia squad memang ngi fi ba nakaliang ka jongi hang sutu ba provision kala affect ba ka monsoon ti kajing bam poi ba ki mar mataru de si kadi na monsoon season hi ti ha bai dei bat ki jor ki jabu dang kini ki tayo bladap kini ki benai bladap ni rubun ki jing thung ma hantam ni ku phan kala flong ko sabar ti bun ki phan im taru ki bun kham dolong bhai ru ti kadi ki ba susi ma bani ya jing tristom jing nongrap ba tang in a matter of minutes or seconds ba asa ni no jor ki ajlor no jor ki jab jing kite kadesha ka jinja ka ba khaw hi te sa oi pade na kwa ma pensai ngi pima je ngi ma discuss ngi nei te atayo man shwa nei ki bar khoi ki ki tankers ma ki bar khoi ki tankers ngi ki bon ram yang ani apo Shillong city ni sa divert karut nang tin apo morin kene te ni suthu ba kadang ka jingkham na kalian ka kot ba ki truck ba palat ka spotan ki ma so bang plan tin apo umyam bridge ma te jingking umyam nang thi te kabuji ba ini berokat ma satu distance batang nang thi ni mantangi haban ya kelan ni nomor keneng te kadang ni ke jingbam extra ma jangka petrol diesel kat bakade kaban wan transport taki tiap te kadang ka cap itu ba kini ki nong song yong majan ki wat ke ju ki om bakam poi mar nomor baka sa divert ka route ka jaka bakan wan direct ini nepo umyam mo yong mo line tu te rasa divert semua orang kena tu kan hakan wan her biang sini kan poi biang sikiyo ki hatte kadang kajin islam mong tai bikin poi ki mar ti kema bisu thuli te kum ki jor ki jab ki mar pon kantang shi phet ang ki ka tu ni kan taru mongka long fresh mo mar ko mari ban poi.
As a concerned person, especially for the welfare and well-being of the people of the state, Samborlang Diengdoh has urged upon the state government to find an alternative for vehicles carrying essential goods to reach the Meghalaya capital of Shillong and other places via Umyam, which is a shorter route than the one through the bypass.
Ikwa ikan bententu lang ka sarkar na marba kat kum ka court ada ni satu ba kadang ka director si na ka high court ba kila dei ban sna alternative no sna maybe sa koi jingkin ka ban relief ya ka pressure ya tu ka jingkin berenang ti apa miam mo jingkin miam madam ti